Problem 2. Find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Sample space of this experiment S equal to HT. So N of S equal to 2. Here we have to find probability of an event of getting head. So E equal to H. Therefore N of E equal to 1. We know the formula to find probability of event E, that is P of E equal to N of E by N of S. Substitute 1 for N of E and 2 for N of S. So P of E equal to 1 by 2. Problem 3. Find the probability of getting a tail when a coin is tossed once. Solve yourself. Problem 4. A bag contains a red ball, a blue ball and a yellow ball. All the balls being of the same size. Raju takes out a ball from the bag without looking into it. What is the probability that he takes out yellow ball? In this experiment, all possible outcomes are taking yellow ball or red ball or blue ball. So sample space S equal to Y or B. Here Y stands for chance of taking yellow ball, R for red ball and B for blue ball. So N of S equal to 3. Here we have to find probability of taking yellow ball. So E is equal to Y. Therefore N of E equal to 1. Probability of event E, that is P of E equal to N of E by N of S. Therefore P of E equal to 1 by 3. Problem 5. A box contains a green toy, a white toy, yellow toy and a blue toy. All toys being of the same size and same shape. Kamala takes out a toy from the box without looking into it. What is the probability that she takes out the blue toy? Here sample space S equal to G, W, Y, B. So N of S equal to 4. Here we have to find probability of taking blue toy. So E is equal to B. Here N of E equal to 1. Formula P of E equal to N of E by N of S. Therefore P of E equal to 1 by 4. Problem 6. A pack contains a red marble, blue marble and a yellow marble, all marbles being of the same size. Surya takes out a marble from the pack without looking into it. What is the probability that he takes out the red marble? Solve yourself. Problem 7. Two coins are tossed together. What is the probability of getting no tail? Sample space S equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. Here we have to consider outcome which does not contain tail. So E is equal to HH. Therefore N of E is equal to 1. Formula P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. Therefore P of E is equal to 1 by 4. Next problem. Two coins are tossed together. What is the probability of getting at most 2 tails? sample space S equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. In this problem, we have to find probability of getting at most 2 tiles. That means an event such that its outcomes may not contain T, or they may contain 1 T or 2 T's. Here n of S equal to 4, E equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. So n of E is equal to 4. Formula P of E equal to n of E by n of S. Therefore P of E is equal to 4 by 4.